Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
13 shot, 4 dead.
Then half an hour later, more bloodbath. Gunmen went to a shop and opened fire.
We can't take you no more around here. Murder around here, pure murder. Can't manage no more.
It's like the youth, them bloodthirsty. Them not have no mercy. Government, we need even a state of emergency. I was a kid in the 1980s, and I survived it all through all of the 90s. Been through several political parties, but I have never seen Jamaica like this. Been through Siaga, them time and the man list. Tony Brown, George Frost, the cup of them and Starkies. Jim Brown, Bucky Marshall, and the Christian and Claudius. Never see Jamaica like this. Tell me how the youth them get so vicious, how the youth them get so violent. It's like some of them have the heart of a crocodile, or them DNA a link back to some reptile. It's like enough of the youth, them blood a boil. We see them around the place like some ISIS style, or some John Wayne days when the West was wild. Imagine them stick up and them rob the whole Kyle, and still turn around and then murder the child. I come back on the ends, lick a more a profile. I smile, like them just so something worthwhile. Them better know say father God a log them file. I wonder where it a go take for some of them reconcile. I was a kid in the 1980s, and I survived it all through all of the 90s. Been through several political parties, but I have never seen Jamaica like this. Been through Siaga, them time and the man list. Tony Brown, George Frost, the cup of them and Starkies. Jim Brown, Bucky Marshall, and the Christian and Claudius. Never see Jamaica like this. I remember one time a bank man used to rob. Couple chain would a grab, or a one bag. If a man forget dash way, I would a buy stab. But now for murder people come in like a job. From Mobile to Clarendon, go straight back to Sava. It's like every youth want to prove say them bad, the place mad. And if a idiot and coward, them if you carry some of them go down a Baghdad. I was a kid in the 1980s, and I survived it all through all of the 90s. Been through several political parties. Never see Jamaica like this. Been through Siaga, them time and the man list. Tony Brown, George Frost, the cup of them and Starkies. Jim Brown, Bucky Marshall, and the Christian and Claudius. Never see Jamaica like this. Jamaica, Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Opposition Leader, Police Commissioner, Security Minister. We don't see the place to have no law and order. Every year we have more than 1,000 murder. Them say Jamaica the murder capital of the world. The man them a kill little boys and little girl. The man them a kill woman, old people, the suckling, the innocent. This year alone the murder rate up 26%. Reggae music and the tourist industry bring in a whole heap of money. How we produce the great Usain St. Leo Bolt and Robert Nesta Marley. So how we make some little nincompoop and mess up the country.
Yes, I. Greetings once again, now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor SLY the first. And I see it. Today we're not talking about no politics and nobody business, you know. We are celebrating the life of another icon out of our community. You see it? Yeah, want to shine a great spark. Great. You know, see it, and it has been, still has been, a model, a beacon of success. You know, see it? Both with characteristics and true works. You know, see it? The man who may talk about Frankie SLY. You know, see it? Yeah, one of our DJ again. I know from time to time we take time off to big up some people from out our community who has made some positive contribution to our society as recommended by you, same subscribers. So when I say, big up subscribers and all our viewers, mad love and respect for you, and I respect and appreciate the input them regardless of how we agree or disagree. You know, see it with us as long as we keep it respectful. You know, see it? Rastafari. Not just for my sake, but for the sake so well, you know, that like have a dialogue, and if it's too disrespectful, YouTube now go publish the comment. You know, see. So yeah, Frankie SLY, I remember as a youth I grew up star. You don't know. You know, see, Paggy, Lecture Funny. Mr. Danny Wright, that's a star. Frankie SLY used to come on and mash up the place, you know, see, and step away. But long before even that, you know, see, kind of this is the issue start. They don't know if your mother and your father them know them things. But you don't know, mommy. We are big man now. You know, see it, and you don't know life. Like, we don't know certain things. It's just, see, you know, see, we just can just share it and laugh about it. But the man there, that's why I man can't appreciate or even see the reason why Tommy Lee and certain DJ find themselves wind up certain way and why them need to prove certain things. Because once, from where we come from, once you show certain characteristics, you know, show certain potential, you know, you see the influence that B is for channel you in another direction there, you know, so that you go make something positive out of yourself, you know. You know, see, because again, like me I say, we now have to ask. We know say, alright, the new grade and mobile youth them now a step of them. We now say family, we know them buy up gun, recently buy up a whole heap of gun. We know scamming started and money I make. You know, we not go associate family with that. You see? Seeing? But what I try to say is that the facts so well then a DJ, a public personality, you know, recognize in potential, in responsibility, and him abilities enough if you know say him above that. You know, see, you have doctors who want to be you. You have lawyers who want to be you. You know, see, them wish them did have the strength to perform, to go up on stage and not just freeze. You know, see it. So he's a beacon. You know, see it. And me have to say that because of the way me the feel about Frankie SLY and the man that when we in the thing and we are youth and we see the man they come through. You know, see it like me I say, you know get no gunman and no bad man go around them man, they don't hold up a deep conversation like so well then. Them demands nothing or push no farmer. Furthermore, the man that we run here with too and tell you say go from here so you know yourself as a bad man no say you better just walk him out, you know. Yeah, you can cuss or say what you want to say. You don't know that. We all use to argument and the usual terms on the word what we use to one another in an insult. You know, see it? You know, see it in a contempt. You know, see it? You can't always do what you do and walk about your business because you don't want the might of the community, the might of the hate of the community, and you might as well you turn whatever gun where you did or turn upon them man there. After you do it, you just turn it in your mouth. You know, see it? And do this and bust it. You see, because you know, I just coward why you are going to just live out the few hours where you have left. You see it. And even so, the man they have access to all of the means by which to create that type of stigma there. You see it. The man that grew up with all of the youth them where living at a place and do certain things and can step certain way. You see it? And a boom office, a Rockford, a Warieka may talk about, you know, Rockford. You see it? And again, the man the base Yasso, you see it, but still the man there a Rockford DJ as much as a just city him thing there. You see it? A Warieka him thing there. And Warieka have little vibes here and there with every little corner now and then. And they just like every little corner have them little vibes now and then, not just with Warieka. And that's how it go. You see, they have place and place where have them little thing amongst them to another. But just as show you the whole Rockford have a little way where it chip out more time. Them man they can't go anywhere. You see, furthermore, them man they can't stop war. You see it? And the wickedest thing, them man they never see the level of success where them man you see today. You see it? Which is not a cry, you don't know, it's a struggling industry. It reach today. The man that do them work, you see it, without seeing or getting the appreciation where them deserve, even at this point, yeah. You see, yeah. See Frankie SLY was saying wah wah wah. ambulance. You must say ambulance, or radio carry every time, you know? Yeah. See him Frankie SLY, man. You see? Mm-hmm. And you know, them man, they papa with Wayne Wonder in the long run and thing like that. And you know, see it more tour and more success and the whole thing right up until the point where you know, probably Buju Banton make a different move and shift from the crew, you know, see it. But from them find Buju Banton and give Buju Banton the type of break where propel him in the man where he is today. And I say that with you know, see, basically, as you know, the narrative from a Wayne Wonder success, him see the opportunity where him can get a break from, seeing, but the confidence boost, no doubt, based on my knowledge, come from Frankie SLY in so many ways. You see, first thing I is that a Rockford, Warieka, Frankie SLY have access to it. All of the benefits, so-called benefits, where it might have to offer to people from such a persuasion, as you can say, without going in on a whole heap of you know, see? Yeah, so you have the shadow there, you have the umbrella there. See? Which is a great asset. You see, enough DJ wish them did have the type of attack with that back in there. You know, see? The next thing again, you see, from, as you can hear, where I think Frankie SLY reason with Cool Face, I one of them man there. Seeing and explain to them and feed them video on a live interview where you hear me tell them say, yo, him when them care about when them go pick up Buju Banton up at him resident the day. Seeing cause him Wayne Wonder ask Wayne Wonder for carry him go on the show. Him over here Wayne Wonder tell a producer say him have a show tonight. Seeing so as him dead in the presence him ask Wayne Wonder. Unknown to Wayne Wonder, them never see before ask Wayne Wonder, yo, what I can't roll with them and thing like that. No, furthermore, I never know if them never see one another, I know one another before. But other night that them know one another better. You know, see it. So, we don't want to say, all right, yeah, we come pick you up, man. See, you don't know. Struggling with feelings, them eventually reach up there and pick up the man up a Reddings Road and thing and carry him. Seeing above all everything because I don't know, you know, a whole heap of crack and cocaine set up at them place there and see two young artists are driving there so them hours a night the people might look on it away. But anyway the man them take on the storm, you know? And go pick up the general and carry him up because we know the universe know say it's a good thing will happen this night, you know, see it. And the man them go pick up the general and carry him go to Clarendon and them rock the world. You know, see, and like the man them say, Apache scratchy there with him one tune, pankak. You have this, what's it, pankak? Yeah, man. Yeah, so when Buju Banton take the mic, because he have a tune when chat to we, and I did have this rhythm, I would just come out and you know? I remember the name of the rhythm itself, because I never really research it, as you don't know, I don't know. Editing and things like that, a straight shot. You see, but me know that with him the bouncy, and when him jump on it and say, them for dead, tell them say, we not save no. You don't know me, so the place drop flat. Yeah, and a star was born. You see, and the performance was that impactful that people line up to see the general when they leave the location. You know what I say? And above all, Jester, above all, because Frankie SLY was a more established artist than Buju Banton then. You know, see it? And like I said, the two established artists go pick up a new DJ in a camp. So you know, in the back seat of the car, the DJ there, like a hatchback car, as them explain, you know, see it. And but the point of the matter is that when it come time for the whole of them go back in the car, you know, a Frankie SLY park the front seat and go in at the back and make Buju Banton stay in the front seat because to the impression when him create, him allow him the star moment. Now me know the psychology of most man and the Dan complex with most black people, I'm saying Dan complex must use that for a want of a letters term. So I say superior complex. Put it that way then. See? Most man know say for them place that not the front seat and that's how they must sit down. You know, see, Buju Banton minded already and psychology, they already conditioned for that. You know, see, he wouldn't have no problem go back in at the back seat, go sit down because that's how him ride come anywhere with the two bigger man them. You know, see it. So it was solely up to the genuine and you know what I say, big man consideration, ability for create. You know see why him know say this are gonna be a massive confidence booster and a self-esteem booster in regards to the DJ himself as well. Because if him see me, Frankie SLY get up off the front seat and put him there and make him and give him the limelight, make him go and shine. He must see and know him put him true potential. Him no need no more validation from nobody. This mean go on and road the youth. No producer, no distributor can't give that. You know see, I appears them, I forget that. I mean I tell you say, nobody never did him amongst Flower Gun and the whole of them long time. As him say, Sanchez them and the whole of them. And that was the same potential with him have. Because the first night when them see that youth there, the first night them hear that tune there. And by the next day, him release him next tune. And very soon after that, he release him first tune for Penthouse. You know, see, because I really want to go up there and make him recommendation them and Jeremy and them know him and everything already. So you don't know. It's just 1 2 and go. You know, see, no, we know how long Flower Gun them and Lizard them and the whole brother them are going with them thing. You know, see, me did I expect them to bring out a bird next. The amount of this and that where them are bring out gun, this, that, and the whole of them kind of sound the same way. And it would have been a massive boost for them own development as well if them did recognize the diversity or the need for the diversity amongst them by introducing Buju Banton. You know, see it and put him on the scene and make him, but probably there was more, something must did wrong there, so because as soon as him walk out and get introduced to some other people, boop bop, and I him that 1 2. You know, see it. But we're not going to go into that. We leave Buju Banton and Flower and them for hash out that, because them still say them are bridging to this day. Well, they might be bridging, you don't know. Every dog have them day. You know, see it. So, that's how we say the thing. You know, see it. Confidence and self-esteem. You see it. We learn a thing out of East there. How to build and boost youth confidence and find them ability and influence them. You see it. So, again, we go to show another great man from the East where eventually through the mannerism and the militancy what we learn as a youth growing up extended outwardly outside of the East and manifests itself in the creation of none other than Buju Banton. You know, see it? Yeah. You know, see it? Even the locks from Buju Banton head, from my understanding, East people started because a girl from East, even though a foreign, it start. It's a girl from East start twist the natty fuss. It's an extension from East. You know, see it? Nah, brother, we're not boast and we're not show off. You know, see it? But we are to try to validate the knowledge so that some people can say, we're not there to teach, we come to teach and I try learn as well. You know, see it? So we are sharing knowledge so that's at least, I mean, we have to admit and identify which is right and how to move forward. We can't keep doing the same thing over and over. You know, see it? A big idiot thing that family keep up and you can't expect a youth like me with no difference, with my role model and difference, where they have less support and less resource, do a lot more. You understand what I say? And it's evident. The evidence is there. When you go do no own research and you look and see. You know, see it? So, I just saw the thing go. We have to just chat it like we learn it. And we not come for beg no friend and see no promotion from nobody like everybody ask, oh, a channel like this I grow so slow. I just the nature thing, you don't know. My narrative now in line with the status quo. So you don't know. I only have to promote the thing and share it and make it expand and stretch out certain way. So when I say, like me say, not even the one them, the way word when I condemn, you see it. A grow soldier. It's an EASTMAN thing. That's why you could have a youth like Buju Banton today as well. Because nobody know what would have happened if it wasn't for that night. You see it. So once enough respect to Frankie SLY and all that's good. And everywhere where you come from. You see it. I want to wish you all the best in your future. Pursue them, my youth. We wish you long life and prosperity, health and strength. You see it. You're part of it. You see it. You motivate. You motivate I as a youth to come up. You see it. And right now compared to what go on, you are the personification of the professional part of the industry, regardless of possession, because possession no show success. You know see it? You know see it? Possession no show success. A production show success. You know see it? And we still the length of Buju Banton locks here now as an extension. You know see it? So we give thanks. You see it? And we are share that one here because we want big up. We general. We star. You see it? Frankie SLY. You don't know, check out him Vivo and him YouTube. You see it? I have him right to say, you know, I read it. I been on him now. You better not fix up no biography. But such a, you see it, an individual. You see it? But you don't know. Yeah. Yeah. You see it. But check out Frankie SLY Vivo. Frankie SLY on Twitter. Frankie Music on Twitter. And things like that. So what I say? Yeah. Haters Anthem. Papa Proud. You know? Seen? And they have some new beats recently. Yeah. Where one of them say on a Jamaica this. But you don't know, I introduce them to turn up on a different level still. You know, see it. Right now, so I'm going to know, say, we have iconic figures in our platform, in our sphere, where we know and grow with. You know, see it. We give we authority, where we can compare the difference and see the contrast. You know, see it. So we can talk on it. So you don't know. Mad love for Frankie SLY. Go and pick up yourself anywhere. Them general. You know, see it. Hats off to you. Respect. Them can't compare, man. You know, see it. Yeah.